Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter, more flexible, and pain-free. What if I told you that just a few minutes of daily stretching could transform your body in just 30 days? Stick around to find out exactly what happens when you commit to stretching every single day. Stretching is often overlooked, but it's one of the simplest and most powerful ways to improve your body. Whether you sit all day, work out regularly, or just want to feel better, daily stretching can do wonders. In this video, we'll take you through the amazing changes your body will experience when you stretch consistently for 30 days. Week 1, the beginning, noticing small changes. In the first few days, your body might feel stiff, but don't worry. Your muscles are waking up, and your flexibility is starting to improve. By the end of week 1, you'll notice less tension, better posture, and a slight increase in mobility. Week 2, reduced pain and more flexibility. By the second week, you will feel a noticeable reduction in muscle stiffness and joint pain. Stretching improves blood circulation, which helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, reducing soreness. Your flexibility will continue to improve, making daily movements feel easier and smoother. Week 3, better posture and increased strength. Now, your posture will naturally improve as your muscles become more balanced. You'll feel more aligned, and if you suffer from back pain or tight shoulders, they'll start to ease up. Stretching also activates stabilizing muscles, making you feel stronger and more in control of your movements. Week 4, full body transformation. By day 30, you'll feel lighter, more flexible, and more energized than ever. Your joints will move more smoothly, your stress levels will decrease, and your overall body coordination will improve. Stretching also helps release tension, making you feel more relaxed and ready to take on the day. So, is stretching every day worth it? Absolutely. It's a simple yet powerful habit that can transform your body and mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Stay consistent, and your body will thank you. See you in the next video.